So I got James working on another project with me here. This is behind the garage. I want to turn this into a giant raised bed that stretches the length of the garage. So this will actually be the first of 3 that'll be behind this area. Per usual, James got out our Woodland Mill sawmill and started cutting up a cedar tree to make all of our own lumber for this project. Now, coming up here in a few minutes, you will see where we do also cut up a few posts that were left over from our farmhouse build. But other than that, all the lumber for this project came from a cedar tree on our property. Looks so good. Today I'm going to work on filling it, and if you're wondering why over here it's cut at an angle and not at 90 degrees, is because we wanted to have perfect clearance coming around that corner for tractors, side by sides, whatever needs to get around there to the side of our house. So now I'm going to work on filling this. I'm going to move some of the dirt to the side and then put some sticks down and then some hay and then put the dirt back on top, which also has my eggshells mixed into it and our coffee grounds. I'm going to put a bunch of manure in here too, but that will go on top and that'll get tilled in with the dirt. And it's done. Took about hour and 15 minutes. Not too bad. And this is full of a lot of nutrients to grow vegetables this year. And so now we'll just top it off with some compost and some manure, and we will be good to go.
Holy moly, that's probably a daddy roly-poly. It's so...
And wow, look at it now. It is July 1st, and this beautiful raised bed is full of tomato plants of all different varieties. I've got 19 tomato plants in there, and they are flourishing. This is about, gosh, I'd say 6 feet tall at least. I'm 5'8", and it's taller than me, so they're looking magnificent. And I just got my first tomato off of it today. And if we come up close, you can see tons of tomatoes coming in. So we're gonna be getting a really good harvest this year off of this raised bed, and I'm super excited about it. I love how this raised bed turned out. Easy, free, and it is obviously creating a beautiful garden. So anyway, thanks for watching.